So, can you actually increase the volume of certain apps while you're on call? Let's find out. So, let's say I'm in a call right now. How do we increase the volume of that certain app? So, for example, if I were to open up TikTok and I'm in a call, what if I just want to increase the volume of TikTok and not any other app and not the call that I'm in? Well, sad to say, you can't actually do that, but what you can do is simply go down and set the volume here. This is the volume for everything that's going on your phone. For example, your call, your TikTok. So let's say you were in a call and you're watching on TikTok. If you drag this down and put it at the highest level, the person you're on call with will be the highest level as well as the TikTok you're watching. So basically, you're not doing anything to change like the statistics of the sound, but you're increasing both parties and you'll be able to hear it more. You just won't be able to hear another more than the other because you can't actually set separate volume properties for these specific apps, for this call and this TikTok watching. And yeah, I'm really sorry, but you can't increase volume of a specific app or the call on your phone. Well, at least for now, but you can actually just go on ahead and wait for the next update and see if they add that. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.